Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to send photo by Bluetooth on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, next to you can send a video or photo by another platforms or social media. You can also guys send them via Bluetooth, and how to do that is quite easy, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can activate first the Bluetooth on your phone and get paired with another device that you want to send the photo with. And yeah, you can long press on it, and then here you can pair to the exact device that you want. And so yeah, this is ready guys, and now I'll go to gallery and I will send one of the photo. For example, I will send this photo and click share and click via Bluetooth, and then now you can choose the device that you want to send. So yeah, now you can wait for a while until the device that you want to send is accepted the request. And so yeah, wait little longer until the process is done. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to send photo by Bluetooth on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.